What if I told you that this entire video was written by an artificial intelligence? No editing, no rewriting, no human creativity, just AI. Today, I decided to run an experiment that most creators don't want to. Some are doing it and some are trying to. I allowed AI to completely write my YouTube script, and what happened later shocked me. If you are a small creator struggling with ideas, low views, or content burnout, this video might change how you create forever. Let's get into it. Now, let me be honest with you. As a growing creator, writing script is hard. Sometimes you sit down ready to record and your brain is empty. No ideas, no motivation, just pressure. And because my channel is new or my channel is small, I don't have a team yet. I don't have an editor. I don't have writers. It's just me. So I asked myself a serious question. Can AI help small creators grow faster? Or is it just hype? That's when I decided to test it. Here is what I did. I opened ChatGPT and typed a simple prompt. I need a YouTube script about growing a small channel. Make it engaging, motivational, and easy to understand. And in seconds, boom! A full script appeared. Introduction, hook, main point, and then conclusion. No stress, no writer's block, no waiting. And I won't lie to you, I was impressed. So I didn't want to judge so quickly. So I said, let me use this script exactly as it is. No editing, no adding my own words, just AI. Here is the first thing that shocked me, the speed. What usually takes me like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours to do, the AI did it for me in just 30 seconds. That alone is powerful for creators who post often. Second, structure. The script was organized, clear intros, smooth flow, and strong ending. Many creators struggle with structures, but AI solved it easily. But here is the part that surprised me the most. The script sounded good, but not perfect, but good enough to record immediately. And that made me realize something dangerous. Most creators are not losing because they are untalented. They are losing because they are tired, overwhelmed, and inconsistent. AI removed frictions. But let me tell you the truth. AI is not magic. Here is where it failed. It had no personal story. It didn't know my struggles, my love views, my audience journey. It lacked emotion. It sounded smart, but not human enough. And that's when I understood something important. AI can help you create, but it cannot replace you, your voice, your experience, and your personality. That's what makes people subscribe. Here is the biggest lesson I understood in this experiment. AI should be your assistant, not your boss. Use AI to generate ideas, create structures, save time, beat creative block. But you must add emotion, real examples, your story, and your energy. That combination is powerful. Creators who understand this will grow faster than those doing everything manually. If your channel is still small, listen carefully. Stop waiting for perfect condition. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need studios. You don't need a big team. All you need is consistency, clarity, smart tools. Use it wisely. Now, allow me to ask you this question. Will you allow AI to write your next YouTube script completely, or have you been using it before? Some people don't trust it yet. It's okay if you've been generating your content yourself. Some people do it. If you want, start trying it. Drop a comment below. And if you're a creator trying to grow with limited resources, low views, and big dreams, Subscribe to Growing with Creators because here we grow together, one video at a time. Remember, your channel doesn't grow because of luck. It grows because of learning, improving, and taking action. See you in my next video. Bye.